Hi. So this morning I woke up with a migraine, so today is kinda so I decided I would just go and play some Snake. Yeah, turns out I'm not actually very good at Snake with a migraine. Should have seen that coming. So then I decided, let's make Python play the game for me. So I wrote up some code. I could have done all of that with pathfinding and fancy methods like that on better days, but not today. Today was a hard coding kind of day. So I pretty much scripted out exactly which keys to press when the snake is at a specific position on screen. Yeah, so I still needed to recognize where the snake was on screen. Luckily, the snake is blue and everything else isn't blue. Less luckily, the snake has some wonky animations that sometimes get in the way of recognizing things. I ended up going with a combination of a timer to make the snake go on if it takes too long to recognize a screenshot, and the screenshot itself to recognize if we are in the correct position to move somewhere. It kinda worked out in the end. You can see a recording on my phone of the result here because I couldn't actually have anything else running while this was playing. Chrome likes to do lag spikes, and if the snake moves even slightly less precisely than possible, Python isn't gonna be quick enough to catch the screenshot. At least not with my wonky migraine-infused setup. Are there better ways to do this? Absolutely, I guarantee it. Do I care? No, I got like the second highest possible score, and the highest possible as far as I'm aware is only possible if you get lucky RNG. So the last apple ends up exactly in the right spot. So, all good. Bye.